Ciao svima, hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stefan. You can find me on Instagram by the name stefanttt or in English stefanttt. And the country I decided to do a review on today is Romania. Now, if you want to know what I think about this year's Romania's performance in Eurovision and what is my rating of it, then keep on watching. Okay guys, before we start doing the review, there is one little thing I need to say. Happy International Women's Day for all the women out there who are watching. I really hope that you had a fantastic day today, that you celebrated it, and that you got a little something from the people around you. Last night, I definitely celebrated International Women's Day in the behalf of all of you. So I'm super hungover right now. I don't know how I even look like today. There is like this little thing right between my eyes. I don't know what kind of review is this going to be today, but I just hope that you're gonna have fun watching it. So the country for today is Romania, and I really love Romania in Eurovision. One of my favorite Romanian acts was back in 2010 when the husband and wife, Paula Selling and Oli, I believe those are their names, performed Playing with Fire. I absolutely love that energy on the stage. There was like this sexual tension between them. I'm like, this is the porn I want to watch, you know what I'm saying? So I love the song, I love the performance. She was gorgeous, and that, I don't know, the whole performance just made me feel so horny. You and me, can't you see we're playing with fire? I'm running away. And then she says, And for me, back in 2010, for me that was like, Okay guys, don't mind me. I'm like, I told you before, I think I'm still drunk. Like, I had so many drinks last night. I got up like 1 hour ago. I came home at like, I don't even know what time was it. So don't mind me if I talk bullshit today, because it's really not me, it's the alcohol. Romania usually has a very interesting way of choosing their representatives. This year, they had this internal choice and they decided to go with this young artist. Her name is Roxen and she is only 20 years old. I googled her a little bit. She's starting to be really huge in Romania, and you know, a lot of people actually think that she has potential to go worldwide. I saw that this girl is really beautiful, and honestly I'm really excited to see what she is going to bring in Eurovision, because I'm all about that young energy in Eurovision. I want Eurovision to be as modern as possible, as many genres to mix together as possible. So yeah, for Roxen, I'm extremely excited, and I know that Romania has good music. They're good with pop, they're good with techno, so I believe that Romania will bring it this year. Romania hosted this TV show where Roxen performed 5 songs, and one of the songs was chosen to represent Romania in Eurovision. Now, everybody were talking about which song Romania is going to choose. So there were like 2 favorites, Cherry Red and Alcohol You. And the one that was chosen was Alcohol You, and honestly, I think it's very suitable for me to do a review on the song called Alcohol You. Let's not drag this anymore and waste our time. Let's just see what this alcohol is all about, because honestly, I know what alcohol is all about, and trust me, it feels nice. All right, everybody, let's go.
And it's rising ink. For me it's hard to blink, I'm falling.
Very interesting voice, very interesting color of the voice, and we can see this is going to be the ballad.
I wrote some stupid words before I lost my mind and call you. A taste of bittersweet.
Oh, I love the makeup. Makeup is on point. Those fake tears she has, like, this is giving me the vibe of Euphoria makeup. Have you watched the Euphoria series?
The memories blue heaven. I need you, but it hurts to feel like I deserve your.
Very brave outfit. You can see that she is basically naked from the waist up.
Weapons, your weapons. Why the fairy tale fail, baby? Mounting in the dark to save me. Love you from the bottom of my alcohol you when I'm drunk.
Alcohol you when I'm drunk. Wow. Such a nice word game. Love it.
I do it 'cause you're not around. This pain's the only thing that I can't refuse.
And I love this beat in the background. Boom, boom, bum, bum, which is basically like the heartbeat. So, love it.
They warned me, but I think it's only fake news. I will call you when I'm drunk. If you're the element, maybe I'm too weak to see.
This is a cool effect, like the mirror image of herself in the background.
Fire's in my chest, but I won't let my head believe it.
Those lights look like the Arctic ice. I'm not really sure if this is what they were going for, but this is how it looks like to me.
If this is just a dream, don't wake me in between a minute. You lied so many times, but right between the lines, I read it. Why do fairy tale feel, baby? Mounting in the dark to save me. Love you from the bottom of my alcohol you when I'm drunk.
Those lights are with that part. That gives such a next level to this song.
I do it 'cause you're not around. This pain's the only thing that I can't refuse. They warned me, but I think
It's only fake news. I remember that from the previous part.
it's only fake news. I will call you when I'm drunk. I'll call you when I'm drunk. I will call you when I'm drunk.
Well, this was very beautiful. This was extremely beautiful. All I can think about this performance is, yes, this is a beautiful performance. She is gorgeous. She looks like a girl from a fairy tale with those blue eyes, with that hair and that euphoria makeup. I'm impressed with the way she looks. She is young and, you know, she is really a cool girl. When you look at her, you say, yes, this girl is really cool. Her color of the voice is also really interesting. For me, in this song, it sounds like it's been damaged from the cigarettes and alcohol she's been using for, you know, for a while now. I know it isn't, she's too young, but this is how her voice sounds to me. Very, you know, very crispy in a way. Also, her outfit. That was very brave of her to wear. She is basically naked from the waist up. You know, she has those things to cover her nipples, but it's really magical. Like, she looks like she just came out from a fairy tale and she is singing this modern ballad that we can all relate to, Alcohol You When I'm Drunk. And that title, Alcohol You When I'm Drunk, that part in the song, that is a really interesting choice of words. So, to say alcohol you when I'm drunk, I will call you when I'm drunk. I'm not calling, alcohol is calling, because alcohol went deep into my heart and decided I don't give a fuck, I should definitely give him or her a call. This, for me, this is not relatable because I'm not that type of person. When I'm drunk, I just don't fucking care about anybody. I have no such feelings. I become the happiest person in the world and I'm just, you know, in the club to dance and I don't give a fuck about past lovers, doomed relationships. and honestly you should not too. But Roxen, she really cares and she cannot get away from that emotion that she has. So you know, when she's drunk, she's like, I'll go hold you when I'm drunk. But to be honest, it is a really beautiful part in the song. Also, what I like, that beat in the behind, pum 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 pum. So it really sounds like a heartbeat. So she is calling, drunk, you know, your heartbeat is faster than usual, and it will be even more faster when you decided to do that call. Everything is mixed pretty well. Will this win the Eurovision? Honestly, I don't think so. Yes, it is a beautiful ballad. She is beautiful. Her vocal is really interesting, and you know, she really can sing. She has a stage presence, but I don't think this is the winning potential for Romania, because from the songs that I've heard now, there are stronger ballads, and you know, there are just stronger performances than this. Yes, this is going to qualify pretty high on the charts. Because it is a really beautiful thing. It is very unusual entry for Eurovision. You know, this is a beautiful song outside of Eurovision, and you know, it is something that people will going to listen, but it's not the winning song. It's not like, yes, this is going to win. No, this is not going to win, but it is going to qualify pretty high. For me, I absolutely love the song and everything that was happening on that stage. Another thing that I liked is the mirror image of herself in the back, and you know, when that part goes, everything disappears, and there are just, you know, the lights, Arctic lights, and I absolutely loved it. So this is a love song. It's a love song, so she is broken. There's this guy that she just cannot get over with, and she is devastated, finding her happiness in alcohol, but alcohol will not give you happiness. Instead, it will, you know, just unlock those emotions that you were hiding under the bed. So don't do that. If you're like me, who just when you're drunk, I'm like, where the fuck am I? I don't know where I am. I don't know what are emotions. I don't know anything. I'm just like, ah. Okay, so if you're a guy like me, yes, drinking is okay once a week. Don't do it more than once a week. But if you are like the person from this story that Roxen has told us, then alcohol is bad for you, and in the end all you're gonna do is alcohol him or her. Now, what will be my rating for this song? So I am drunk, and Romanians, if I say something wrong, please forgive me. So drum roll please. My final rating for Roxen and Alcohol You will be a 7.5. I think that 7.5 is pretty decent with this performance, and you know, this can go up or down. It all depends what they're gonna do on that Eurovision stage in May. However, I'm pretty excited about that, and I just want to say good luck, Romania. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching me today. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And tell me, what are your thoughts about this song? What are your thoughts when you're drunk? Tell me everything. Please don't hesitate to comment down below, because I am reading it all. Thank you one more time, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!